it's your boy Yuta Iwamura, and I am back after watching the Super Mario Bros. Movie, and it was a blast. Totally recommend you guys see it. And I am back with another LEGO video for you guys, another showing off my LEGO Super Mario set episode. This is the LEGO Super Mario Creativity Toolbox set, and I'm going to show you how this works, and I'm going to show you the characters. Sound good to you? Sound good to me? Cool. Move! And if you appreciate me doing videos like this, be sure to leave a like below, smack the hell out of that like button. And if you haven't already, just subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you will never ever miss a single upload. And now I'm going to show you how the LEGO Super Mario Creativity Toolbox set works. Sound good to you? Sound good to me? Cool. Now here's how the LEGO Super Mario Creativity Toolbox set works. So turn on Bluetooth. Oops.
Lego Mario time! Hello, Peach. Hi, Mario.
There we go. Now here's how the Creativity Toolbox set works. So since this is a maker set, I brought the warp pipe and the flagpole there. So I guess let's start the adventure. So here are mountains and the Mushroom Kingdom domes. Pretty dope, right? Oh, and 3 mushrooms here. There's also some fruits here that Mario and Peach can eat. Pretty cool, right? And, oh yeah, and here's also another fruit. They could give it to Blue Yoshi. Also, for the first time ever, there's a checkpoint flag. Which just gives you more time. Pretty dope, right? You can also... Pretty dope, right? Here's a mushroom and a little gift. And you can give it to Peach. Pretty dope, right? And here's Wendy Koopa they can defeat together. Pretty dope, right? And here's a little Goomba they could defeat. And here's that little, like, looks like a tiki there. Uh-oh, they're running out of time. From the Mushroom, Super Mushroom, and Monty Mole set. It's smaller. I don't have that set. Pretty dope, right? Check it out, check it out. Now the warp pipe and the flagpole isn't included in this set. I only brought it out since this is a maker set. And now I'm going to show you the characters in the LEGO Super Mario Creativity Toolbox set. Sound good to you? Sound good to me? Cool. First up we have... Now check out Wendy Koopa. Now, looking very angry there, like Eminem. And here's that little bright pink bow, and the wand, and the shell with the interaction part there. Pretty dope, right? Check it out, check it out. Now check out Blue Yoshi. Now this looks pretty dope, except Blue Yoshi's cheeks.
Well, that's just lazy writing.
Lego kind of made a little mistake there, but because they're supposed to be white, not dark blue with all the colors, But if you want, you could sort of cheat with another Yoshi. You could just change it to white. See? That looks much better. Pretty dope, right? Check it out, check it out. Now check out Goomba. Now, I know, this character comes in a lot of LEGO Super Mario sets, except his face is like very angry. Like very angry than the ones in the other sets, because the eyes are almost closed there. Pretty dope, right? Check it out, check it out. Now that was the LEGO Super Mario Creativity Toolbox set. Now be sure to leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite LEGO is. Now don't forget to check out these videos right here. I think you'll like them, I'm pretty sure you will. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the future.